think today's the day. 5 feet. I'm by myself. I don't have anybody helping me today, so I don't have a driver for the truck. So just using the four-wheeler really slowly. I think I got it down the hardest part. So now I got that truck out of the way. We got to sneak it in between those two and on the concrete. Here we are back at the shop. Getting up there working. I'm over here working. Adjust doors. A couple little things. Get this truck sanded. Do a little body work. And then I'm going to work on getting these wheel wells. I think I'm going to radius cut the wheel well. We got some rust to get rid of right there. Once we get rid of that rust, then we'll be good to go, I think. Alright, got Tyler adjusting doors, Jaden sanding the roof right now. Getting his baby ready to get done body working. I just radius cut the wheel well, and I'm a little scared, but I feel like to really have a gasser instead of having the tub look, I really wanted to go for the wheel hanging on the outside. So that's where we are right now. Keep on going, keep on going. You guys are doing great. Everybody's moving, everybody's working. We got
what they're doing.
Fucking guy. I'm looking for shit because you can't find shit. And I said I wasn't gonna cuss these videos anymore, but you're making it hard for me. Here's the shit right here.
So we got the door all good, and not good, but good enough. This is pretty good. Oh, close.
Look at me real quick. They're not perfect, but the best that they've ever been, because these doors have never, ever shut good. I don't know what the hell.
Oh, Priscilla don't like us. On this side, I had a time of my life over here, and then when we shut the door, we look right here and it should not do that. So he's over here.
It's because it doesn't have the rubber stopper. That's what I'm.
Yeah, there should be a rubber stopper right there, but there's not.
But nah.
But nah.
I think it's gonna be that redneck. That's
probably gonna be better than what it was. Maybe.
Pretty legit. I don't think it'll be too redneck. We'll see. I ain't promising shit. Okay, so what we need to do now. Have you moved this at all?
No.
Okay, so we'll see how this slides. You do just loosen it up, don't take the bolts out, and see if you can slide it closer to the cab. Like mantequilla on a tortilla, bud. Right along with this deal. Got the other side to do tomorrow, so I'm gonna try and get this done today. I'll have to shape all that and hammer it. And getting it. It's starting to come together. Starting to come together a little bit by bit. Had to extend that piece, made that piece, made that little piece right there. Made all that come together. And now I'm starting to shape all this right here. Probably have this side done today and then start on the other side tomorrow. Or maybe later. Sometimes I get bored and I just come out here and I'll get bored in the middle of the night and then I'll just start tearing shit apart and whatever, and we'll see. I'll get this side done for sure today. Tomorrow I'll probably get the other side done now that I kind of know what I'm doing. It's my first radius cut wheel well ever. Never built a Gasser before, so I don't know. Hopefully we're doing it somewhat right. Ain't gotta be perfect. This truck's mine and I ain't selling it, so. There it is with the 29-inch tall tire on it. Those are just for now slicks, but that was the size I was gonna run anyways. I think it looks so sweet, so awesome. It's like Friday, so we have 7 days. We haven't videoed anything. We've just been hauling ass and struggling. And thanks Nivus for putting my wheels and tires on, or my tires on the wheels. I found an old set of slicks that I had just in the back, some 29, 10.5, so looks like they'll hold there, and that's the size of the radius I built those for. So we're just gonna try and run those. But yeah, I think it looks pretty sick. They fit just perfect.
Yep, lay it on there, yep. Closer. Yep. Yep. Okay, hold on right quick. Is that going this way? It always stays. It always stays like that. So if you got this, don't shoot it like that, you're gonna get a run right here. Turn it and go with it. Much better, much better, much better. See this line? Let's clean up that line a little bit. Yep, yep. Okay, right down, go down. Yep, perfect, perfect. Don't hold it upside down. Okay, go back up. Okay, when I tell you to go past, same thing, just pass. Because you're missing.
All right. Primer number 2. Primer number 2. Blocked all day. It ain't perfect, but that's all right. It's supposed to look like an old race truck anyways, right? So there it is. Primer number 2. What are you doing? Drinking his water?
No, that's not mine.
Drinking everybody else's Vavas? You don't even know whose glass or cup it is? You just drink it?
I think it's mine.
You think it's yours? I hurt my nails. Are you guys working or fighting? Which one? You're work fighting? No work fighting, Jaden. That's your little brother. Help him out, Jaden. Look, your brother's over there working. What are you doing?
Looking at
In front of everybody, look at all your fans. Looky, she ain't doing nothing.
I'm looking at you.
She's yelling at Tyler. Block party today. Looky.
You have to clean the
Chee.
floor now.
We got to clean everything, Jaden. It's got to be cleaner than clean in here before we paint. Cleaner than Skeeter's Peter.
Where's the razor?
Right in my hand.
That's a razor knife. What are you doing down there?
Trying to get this off the floor.
What is that? DA paper? Sick.
You don't ever do it like that.
Jeez.
Yeah, hand it to him handle first. Have some respect. It ain't gonna be the best truck we ever did, but it'll be alright. It'll be close enough.
What time is it?
They ain't going nowhere. These guys want to go watch fireworks tonight. I tell them we only got like 2 or 3 days before this truck's got to be completely done and headed to Bo Huff's.
Today.
and heading to Bo Huff's in 2 days, 3 days. We didn't have enough time to do everything that we wanted to it, but I think we got a lot done. A lot of the bodywork that's been done by the previous owners over the many years is still kind of there. We cut out a lot and we got rid of what we could. There was some cracks. There was some cracked Bondo and body filler here and there. We cut that out, but some of it is just going to be there. It's just going to be what it is. We don't have enough time to cut through it and do it all. We did this all in about 8 real days, honestly, and we got 3 days after tonight. Bam! Rust-Oleum, best stuff ever. I'm telling you guys right now, you cut that down, a little bit of acetone, you might think I'm tripping. I ain't kidding. And you mix that with some Magic catalyst hardener from Tractor Supply. I know it's weird. $40 paint. I'm telling you. You mix it with that hardener, cut it with that acetone, and it makes it legit hard. You can pour gas on it. It doesn't do anything to it. It's been 2 years since we've had this truck out, and I don't know. It's time. It is what it is. Like I said, it's not perfect, but we did what we could in the shortest amount of time that we had. So I'm gonna be pretty happy with it. I think my high quality professional. It says. It even says on there. These are professional guy. Looky. I'm not even lying. These are professional use only. I'm not a professional, but we're gonna try it. Trust me, I've done this before, and honestly, when you do it like this and you use that catalyst and use that hardener, I will promise you, you will get good results. Whether it's satin, the flat black, flat white, satin, that Rust-Oleum stuff is good, I'm telling you. It just needs a catalyst, and you need to cut it with acetone, get it to spray real well, and it will spray and it will lay down, and you can cut and buff it. Maybe we'll just do this. Maybe we'll just go, now you see it now, and now you see it painted. Bam! There she be. Took all the masking off so far. He's working on some support brackets for the fenders, getting those all put back on for the hood and stuff. Got the hood opened. She's not looking too bad, honestly. Haven't pulled it out in the sun yet, but
Oh, it's so hot.
that sumbitch is definitely white.
Oh, it's so hot.
Are you hot, guy?
Yeah, I'm big.
There's dust and shit everywhere. Get it yet?
No?
It's literally 4 in the morning. But look at that, baby. I did a thing. Gotta be kind of quiet because it's literally 4 in the morning, but so my tire went flat on the first drive earlier. We didn't film it. It was just me. My son's gone. I basically just took it around the block and my slick went flat. So I don't know, man. It just ain't my thing. But I mean, that's how it goes. It's literally 4 in the morning. It's Friday morning. I'm supposed to be loaded up and headed out in like a couple hours, but I gotta wait for a tire shop. I gotta find tires or take tires off my S10 that I can use, which I really don't want to do. I hate taking stuff off other trucks to finish trucks, but that's probably what's gonna happen. And then we will head to Dragonton